Well, Molly, you and Eric know this. So many people in the Pacific Northwest visit the Hawaiian Islands. And I have to tell you, a lot of the travelers who came to SeaTac today had no idea about the wildfires until they arrived here at the airport and then made their travel plan changes. I did talk to one man on Maui who told me that he ran from the flames. He said you just wouldn't recognize Lahaina, that it is absolutely gone. And right now they are in survival mode. Imagine seeing this, a wall of flames coming right at you. Isaac Bancaco lived it and survived it. Lahaina, Maui's historic town, popular with tourists, was burning down.
The fire just hopped one house to another house and on down the street and just expanded. You know, right now, it's rubble.
Including this executive chef's restaurant, Pacifico.
Totally burnt to the ground. It's, you know, it hasn't even really sunk in.
And that's not all. His home is gone too. Nothing left but ashes and a concrete slab.
You know, just when you start feeling sorry for yourself and feeling sad about it, there's people that lost their lives, you know, and that's what we need to focus on.
He captured this video of the wildfire prior to evacuating Tuesday night to higher ground. He said 1 minute firefighters had the wind-fueled fire surrounded, but the unrelenting winds had other plans.
There's a lot of people that were on foot and got pushed all the way to the ocean.
He was told up to 100 people took shelter in the Pacific. It has left this island in paradise in all-out survival mode.
We are politely asking everybody that is, you know, on the island to politely head back home.
And asking those coming to cancel their trips.
It's just frustrating. We got in at 10-ish and found out that Maui was on fire.
Many flights were canceled or delayed. The state of Hawaii issuing an emergency order strongly discouraging any non-essential travel.
I could have gone out yesterday and I'd be sitting in a high school gym somewhere trying to be evacuated, so I have to look for the silver lining.
When it's time and we rebuild and we're starting healing, we will welcome you back.
We really appreciate talking to him today. The flights here have been impacted all day long, not just those going and coming from Maui, but also those connecting. I talked to some of those passengers as well, everybody thinking about Maui tonight. As for Isaac, he told me that cell phone service on the island is just so spotty. He has 45 employees, and right now he is continuing to try to contact them all. That's the very latest. Reporting live at SeaTac, I'm Michelle Esteban, KOMO News.
Roy, Michelle.